Every football player dreams of lifting this trophy. But have you ever wondered where it comes from and how it is made? The journey begins thousands of kilometers away from any football stadium, deep beneath the earth, where gold is mined.
Millions of tons of rock are processed to extract the precious metal that will eventually become part of this legendary trophy.
The raw gold is transported to a refinery, where it is purified and transformed into precious gold bars. The FIFA World Cup Trophy is made from 18-karat gold and contains nearly 5 kilograms of precious metal.
The gold now arrives at the workshop, where master craftsmen begin transforming it into football history.
Before any metal is melted, every curve and every detail of the trophy must be perfectly planned.
The first physical version of the trophy is created in wax, allowing every tiny detail to be perfected.
The mold is finally ready, and in the next stage, molten gold will give birth to one of the most famous trophies on Earth.
The gold is heated to temperatures above 1,000 degrees Celsius until it becomes a glowing liquid of pure fire.
One mistake here could ruin months of work. Every movement must be perfect.
At this moment, raw metal begins its transformation into the most famous trophy in football history. The trophy must cool slowly and evenly to avoid even the smallest imperfection.
For the first time, the shape of the World Cup trophy emerges from the mold. It may look ordinary now, but this rough piece of metal will soon become one of the world's greatest symbols of victory.
Machines create the basic form, but only skilled hands can bring the trophy to life. Every line and every curve is carefully crafted to represent two human figures holding the world above them. Hours of polishing gradually transform the rough metal into a brilliant golden masterpiece. For the first time, the trophy begins to look exactly as the world knows it today, but the journey is still far from over. Before moving forward, every millimeter of the trophy is carefully inspected. Perfection is the only acceptable standard. Some of the finest details are still shaped by hand, requiring years of experience and extraordinary patience. Achieving this mirror-like finish can take many hours of meticulous work.
Each piece of malachite is carefully cut and polished to create the trophy's famous green base.
Even the smallest details receive special attention before the trophy is considered complete.
After countless hours of craftsmanship, the trophy finally achieves its legendary golden glow.
For the first time, the FIFA World Cup trophy stands complete, a masterpiece of gold, craftsmanship, and football history. The trophy may look finished, but its most important test is only just beginning.
Every curve, every angle, and every measurement must match the original design perfectly.
The completed trophy weighs approximately 6.175 kilograms, and every gram matters.
Even a tiny scratch or imperfection is unacceptable on one of the world's most famous trophies.
From this moment on, the trophy is handled with extraordinary care and respect.
Once approved, the trophy is secured inside a specially designed protective case. The trophy is now ready to begin a journey that will take it around the world. Before the tournament begins, the trophy travels across continents, inspiring millions of football fans.
Now it waits for the one team that will earn the right to lift it and make history.
After years of preparation and an entire month of competition, everything comes down to one final match.
Just a few meters away sits the trophy that every player on the field dreams of lifting.
90 minutes later, one nation has achieved football immortality.
We did it! Champions! Unbelievable!
The masterpiece that began as raw gold is now about to become part of sporting history. This is the moment every football player dreams of, lifting the FIFA World Cup Trophy. In an instant, billions of people around the world celebrate together.
But here's something that surprises many fans. The champions do not keep the original trophy forever.
The original trophy remains under FIFA's protection, while the winning nation receives a specially made gold-plated replica.
From deep beneath the earth to the hands of world champions, this extraordinary trophy represents more than...
So, how much is the world's most famous trophy actually worth? The trophy contains nearly 5 kilograms of 18-karat gold, giving it a substantial material value on its own. Experts estimate its symbolic value to be in the tens of millions of dollars, making it one of the most valuable trophies in sports.
But no matter how much money someone has, the original FIFA World Cup trophy is simply not for sale.
The original FIFA Cup trophy remains under strict protection and is carefully guarded throughout its existence. For millions of children around the world, this golden trophy represents hope, ambition, and the dream of becoming a champion.
It is more than a piece of gold. It is a symbol of unity, passion, and the power of sport to bring the world together.
From raw materials to world champions, the FIFA World Cup trophy tells a story of craftsmanship, history, and dreams that never end. Every curve and every line has been carefully crafted to make the trophy instantly recognizable.
The completed trophy weighs approximately 6.175 kilograms, making it surprisingly heavy to lift with one hand.
The green base is made from malachite, a beautiful semi-precious stone that gives the trophy its iconic appearance.
Few objects in sports receive as much protection as the FIFA World Cup trophy.
Only a very limited group of people are allowed to touch the original trophy, including FIFA officials and World Cup winning players.
Whenever the trophy travels, it does so under extraordinary security and careful supervision.
For millions of people, this trophy represents far more than a sporting prize. It represents hope and the pursuit of greatness.
From deep beneath the earth to the hands of champions, the FIFA World Cup trophy remains one of the greatest symbols of human ambition and sporting glory.
Long before the tournament begins, the trophy starts an incredible journey around the world, visiting dozens of countries and inspiring millions of fans. For many fans, seeing this trophy in person is a once-in-a-lifetime experience. As the tournament approaches, the trophy arrives in the host nation under extraordinary security.
The stadium is ready, the world is watching, and the trophy is waiting for its next champion.
After years of qualification and weeks of competition, everything now comes down to one unforgettable night.
Then it happens. One team becomes world champion, and millions of dreams come true in a single moment.
Every legend begins with a dream. Somewhere in the world, another child is already dreaming of lifting this trophy.
After the celebrations end, the original trophy returns to secure protection, waiting patiently for the next World Cup. Then begins the long wait. 4 years, until football's greatest prize is lifted once again.
It is more than gold and stone.
It is the symbol of dreams shared by billions of people.
And as one tournament ends, another journey quietly begins.
Every curve tells a story. Every detail represents a dream. Every reflection carries a piece of football history. The FIFA World Cup trophy is not simply awarded. It is earned through generations of sacrifice, passion, and determination. This is the incredible story of how a piece of gold becomes the most famous trophy on earth, the FIFA World Cup trophy.